In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a column to text number in your Smartsheet project sheet. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet project sheet. Make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account, and then open the specific sheet where you want to update a column. You should be looking at the familiar grid view, with your columns across the top and your rows of data underneath. Next, move your mouse up to the column header that you want to change. This is the gray bar at the top of the column where the column name appears. Hover your cursor over that header until you see the options icon or a small drop-down arrow appear. Once you see it, click on that highlighted area to open the column menu. From this menu, you'll see several options related to that column. Look for the option that lets you open the column settings. This is usually shown as column properties or similar wording. Go ahead and click on column properties. A new window or panel will appear, giving you more detailed settings for this specific column. Inside the column properties window, find the section labeled column type. This is where Smartsheet controls what kind of data the column accepts, such as dates, drop-down lists, checkboxes, or free text. Right now, your column is set to a drop-down list, which means users can only choose from predefined options. Click on the current type so that the list of available column types appears. From the list, select Text, Number. This tells Smartsheet that you want this column to accept general text or numeric values instead of limiting entries to a drop-down. This is especially useful if you need more flexibility in what people can type in, like notes, descriptions, or changing values that don't fit into a fixed list. After selecting Text Number, take a moment to double-check that this is the correct column and that you're happy with the change. Remember that switching from a drop-down to text/number will remove the drop-down options, but your existing cell values will remain as plain text. When you're ready, click on Apply at the bottom of the Column Properties window. Smartsheet will save your changes, close the dialog, and return you to the sheet. Now, if you click into any cell in that column, you'll see that you can type freely without being limited to a drop-down menu.